part 3, guys. The wind out here is atrocious, but I'm still going to shoot this and I'm still going to upload it. If it's too much for you, just don't watch it, you know. I want to get this stuff documented, so here we go. Sure, this is the Revolutionary War Soldiers section of the graveyard. Wow, that's really tough to read. I can't read that, guys. Let's walk back over here. 'Story there for you. (1771 to 1851). (1780 to 1856). Adam King, born February 15th, 1781, died January 4th, 1815. The wind is just ridiculous. It's going to make shooting a video today all but impossible. Like I said, I'm going to still upload these, you know, and get some other people's brains on this stuff. But I'm going to show you one more thing before we leave, before I end this video and I leave. Check it out. Were here so long they had to encase them back in concrete. Anyway, guys, this is going to be the second or third video I'm going to upload today. There's just too much wind going on.